Hello students, today we'll discuss a new topic, list manipulations in Python. So first let us discuss what is list. What is the use of the list? What is this? List means, as usual we can say according to the English term, that is a list means a group of characters or group of data. That is called the list. Yes, correct. It is a group of data that means are known as a list. It contains the different types of data also. Means a group of data means it may contain that is integer type, maybe string type, maybe floating type, or maybe any boolean types. Just we can store any type of data here, and it is mutable. Mutable means we can change or modifiable. That means we can edit also, we can change the data, we can change its positions. Okay, that is called the mutable. So lists are mutable. Okay, so now let us discuss the next part. So how to write the list? Let us see how to write the list. So list can be written within that is square brackets. So we can write like this. The list can be written like that. Suppose I have not written anything, that means it is an empty list, we can say. It is known as empty list. If I am writing here that is 2, 3, 8, that is called a list of integer data. If I am writing that is 2.5, 3.9, 13.6, that means it contains only the floating type of data. If I am writing here within the square bracket 2, 3, 8.9, 6.3, so this is all the it contains both integer as well as the floating type of data. Suppose if I am writing OK, then I am writing 3, then write my 6.5, it contains the string as well as the integer as well as the floating type of data. That means it can contains the different types of data also. So it can hold the different type of data and kept within the square brackets. Okay, so now let us see how to create a list. So list can be created by using the, already I have told you, that is by using square brackets. So you can write here, suppose x equal to, we can take one example, x equal to, I am writing here 2, one data, then next comma 3, like that. Or we can write y equal to okay, yes, no, etc. So these are the data elements and we can keep within. So if you are not entering anything, it is known as the empty list. It is known as the empty list. Okay. So list may be this type, it may be long type of list also. Long type means where so many data can be stored there, that is called the long type. And list also nested type. That means we can store example, you see x equal to, I have written 2, 3, again I have within bracket I am writing 4, 5, okay, then I am writing 6, 8. So this is called the nested, means one list is within another list. That is called the nested type of list also. One more example I am giving you. Suppose I am writing where here, suppose L1 equal to I am writing here list and within bracket I am writing hello. Okay, so the output may be like that within square bracket. That means this one will be converted to list format, means H, then E, then L, then L, then O. So it will be in a list format. So that means any format, maybe it is maybe in tuple, so it may be in general format, that can be converted to list format. And when it will convert it to list format, you can write here list here, so that it will be converted to the list format from any other format also. It is also similar as the strings, but only the difference is that in case of string, that is, it is immutable. In the string it is immutable, that in the index number we cannot change the data, but this one is mutable. Okay, this one is mutable. Which one? List one is mutable. This means some applications or this type of activity we can also do in case of list, just like in string. So first one is the length, we can find its length we can change its index number, we can, just like slicing string, we can also slice the list, and also we can concatenations and replications operators. That means we can also join by using this plus operator, or also we can replicate by using this into operators. Okay, so when we are writing, suppose I am writing here x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. So in this case, in the similar, just like string, it is 0, this is index number is 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the similar way it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. If I am writing x of -4 equal to 9 or 19 I have written, so what will the output? So suppose if I will write print x, if I will print x, I will print it, so what output will come? It will -4 positions will be changed to 19. -4 positions, 2 was there earlier, now it will be 1, that is 19, 3, 4, 9. That means it is mutable. So that's why we can change in its index number, we can also change the value, change its value also. So that's why it is, this is the difference between string and this list. Otherwise, in other cases, almost same functions, same activity, that whatever we are performing in string, the same thing we can also do here. So let us discuss few list operations are here. So the first example I am writing one, joining strings. Suppose A I have written here A equal to 1, 2, 3, and B equal to 8, 9, 10. This data I have stored into list, and first I am writing, if you want to join to joining string means just this is two lists are there, just like string will join here. So if I am writing A plus B, so we can write 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10 will come in this way. The output will be in this format. Okay. If it is replicating will be there, just I will write A into 2. So A was 1, 2, 3 into 2 means 2 times. The output will come 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Next is slicing. Just like string, if we will write in this way C2, -2. What was the C value? C value was 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. This is a list. 2 I have written. This 2 means, that is, if we will write in an index format, that it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Just like string. So 2, -2 means it will start from 3. -2 means it is here, but it is less than that, means it will continue till 8. So the output will be 3 and 8. Okay, the output will be 3 and 8. In this way, these operators, these operations in the list can be performed. So now I will show you the more working with list. So next we will discuss about the working with list. One example I have given here, you just see A I have written here. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. First, we want to add something, so we can use the append command, append. Suppose I have written a dot append 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9 will be included or added at the last of the after the last element. And if I am writing a dot, suppose I want to edit something, that is called the updation part. If you want to do, you want to change the data in a proper index, so you write, suppose I have written a dot of 2 equal to 24. That means in this case of list, that means the second one will be removed and updated. That means it was 2 means second position, 0, 1, 2, that means 3 was there. Now it will be changed to that is 24. So next one you will see, that is del. If you want to delete something, I am writing del a of 1 means first positions, means this is the 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So a of 1, if I write del a of 1, that means 1 position is 2, so 2 will be removed, the output will be 1, 3 and 4. If I write del a 1 colon 3, means it will starting from 1 to 3. 1 to 3 means this positions to third position, means third means this is the fourth one. That means 2, 3, 4 will be removed, and finally the output will be 1 only. If I write a dot pop of 2, so 2 means second position, 0 and 1, that means 2, it is 2 is given, that means 0, 1, 2. 2 means 3, so 3 will be removed. But then what is the difference between del and pop? Del command and pop command almost same, but del command the syntax also same, only one difference is there, that is we are writing del, then A means name of the list, then after that we are writing here what, the index number. But in case of pop we are writing that is list dot pop, then index number. This is one difference. And the output also one difference is coming, but both functions are same, but difference is that in this case we are writing the output is coming direct after deleting. Suppose when I am writing A of 1, so after deleting direct the output is coming 1, 3, 4. But in case of pop, it will show you the deleted elements first, then when you will print A once again, then it will show you after deleting that elements. Okay, this is the difference only. Pop, first it shows the deleted elements first, but in case of here it will show you the elements after deletions. This is the difference between del and pop. So okay students, let's next we'll discuss some list functions, okay, in the next module. I hope you understood students. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.